Hi there, meet the CommercialCare Handheld Steam Cleaner, a powerful 1200W device that removes grease, grime, and stains without harsh chemicals. It heats up quickly in just 3 minutes, so you can start cleaning right away, with a tank capacity of 8.45 ounces and a steam output of 30 grams per minute. This lightweight, portable steamer weighs only 3.5 pounds and features a 6.6-foot cord for easy maneuverability around your home or car. The 9-piece accessory set includes everything you need for versatile cleaning, from a small brush to various nozzles and an extension hose. Use it on carpets, upholstery, tiles, doors, windows, and even car seats for a thorough clean. Its smart design makes it comfortable to grip, helping you tackle tough stains faster and more efficiently. Simplify your cleaning routine with this all-in-one steam cleaner designed for multiple surfaces. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.